It's just to bring to the notice of EDO people and also to the entire country that we have intelligence that some individuals are in Edo State, courtesy of former national chairman of APC. And the names of these individuals and their mode of entry and every other thing are communicated to the security agencies, and they have the information. And their assignment is to come and assassinate some known individuals in the state. So I'm hereby bringing to the notice of the general public that these people are in town, and we've communicated to the security agencies about the activities and why they are in town. And also to use this medium to call on Mr. President to also call the security to do their work. Because Edo people, and Edo is not going to be a theater of war if these things are dealt with. And for us, we will continue to appeal to our people not to look for trouble, not to disrupt any program. We are law-abiding. We have the duty to protect lives and property. That we will continue to do. But just to bring to the entire nation and the people of Edo State of the intention of these individuals, and the police, the State Security Service have been communicated to, and the names of these individuals and these characters that are in town also have been communicated to the security agencies. Thank you.